Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix ping transmit fail general failure in Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. Type exit. Click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Advanced Network Settings, click Network Reset. Click Reset now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.